Nsem Fabɛwɔso Emrel. And I penso me that say, so do a video no, or they are to Adom TV, Adom 106.3 FM. Ensembi ha. Ensembi ha. And I pay more Ensembi no. Maboni tau. Na yakwa yanim. Ya wagana ha. Ana nyame adom a yenya amanyoko ahodoa. Emu mienu de. Wamanya akwanya no abe test akwanya no wama tena akwanya no so pen. Mechira NDC ni MPP. Na niamabo na nikam. Niamabo na nikam ana na pay. Mena umi onu yaba badwendwene hui. Mimi na etwam MPP amanyoko no atu aba ayi parliamentary candidates. Na niedi kaya me bon me share ne so. Say amanyoko a da bia wo mo bom ho asafo hene apostles of democracy yana kadma min kabia memo ne yete ase pa MPP amanyoko no ene ye kasai. Eba no kadma min kabia yana yete ase pa Ghana ha. Ane niema bia ekoso memene de twam yin. Etan Niema ekoso memene de twam yin. Etan Sa enemre ma ni bia bai ani amanyoko a wasan homrane sa ba no kadma min kabia yana yete ase pa. When po primary so ya hu dia koso bantema anapano a ya hyase bantema nsema mo hwa ya Adom TV tie Adom FM Asempa FM de muhuni muti ana waidi ni abato kratanim enso abeto aba ene nsam no bebre na ne etwari nsuru mukura ya ne ekoso Asante Achem North delegates abua wo ho ano akoje injunction ade beto aba no so. In fact, fiada no metie general secretary ora Dwamboadu awa Asempa ikosi sen emoka ni plain say abano enya de beba so Asante Achem North enya de beba so wakano patin miamasum meti ora Samia Oku national organizer of the MPP no so wakase abano enya de beba so Asante Achem fe na pano ejumadi ani sabato ani sase no yete ya se abato no ekoso our the sitting member of parliament honorable and the Apia Kubi abato no ekoso woni fie electoral commission for wo ni ho electoral commission for no ya de adwuma no abato na so omonsa so omonhwa so no wo ni ho wey anytime apostles of democracy NPP amayoko wey anytime yeti so amakofa Robert ya ton so bolo ene fitai kra friend saying oh fitai SML kenkramofo Burkina sa Robert no na wamo to aba no gum apostles of democracy. It's a shame. Na sa regional chairman ora Benedict Bosia ko chairman untumi so wotia won hwene ma bi ye mon kan tre no sa won hwene ma bi ye sa ya hu agudie mpo ya pese ya chechire ba ko sa gu na chi ne ya boni yamo a. Then I doubt the sort of apostles of democracy the MPP is. They shouldn't disturb us with that anymore. Mamu fan cheche ya sokra wamayin. mumfa nya yasum etan sikatani ade akọ de eno de normal the money currency in politics eno de agina nkopon na no afisura ba betu afiri yemu ye tietie sika but ne akọ so asante achim north ne de ebon eni wose asoso so eni wose asoso so kura na ensam na meka na me bufu makachla odeda said the sovereignty of this nation resides in we Ghanaians, and it's a bribise ekwaso na yentumi afaye na ensifama when be on abeka, and that is why we are here. Enuti ne wa hai if a party in power will set such a precedence, areho anamu kodo baajiman ejina asante achim north abato mpesua so kwaje to nka me akwaba
mejo so binwa ne mpom tse
yegusu nkakrakra tawo so ho ye de
awade adom ade achen de sise nyame de dana cheye
kwaje memenda no aba no yeto yanyane ntie se yeto no MP ni fie boye mu kakra sa na koso ana afa de mu tiase ma bato no ba so kwaje
me da se na ni amote and I think say no na e koso me MPP ya join no ekuo no eje ready. The party believes in the tenets of the rule of law. Inti yen ayedi achi no ye wa akoma padima party na ye wa dwempa edima party no maybe ya say party mra ene oman mu mra na ye de beye adwuma mo be kai say wo mo amafidie so ne mo other sister stations Joy News Asempa FM the party director of elections and national organizer mun grant interview say there is not going to be election because of court injunction on the
yes
EC officials was anti-achievement of and so my said there is not going to be any election because in Penifo if we can catch up say there is a court injunction in the end to about the year they say about to be so but maybe that no pa Yamete and say party officer and a few polling stations including MP Nifie yeah, trouble, and I was shocked because party said, "Mammy and trouble." The other MP organizing election without EC. Now offer our personal assistance on your returning officer. Now, yeah, na trouble.
Maybe kwajo MP no organizing election of far why so onya no onya adwuma ma no. Si ho no so bi ma me.
Na assistant na oko raiser. You're gonna Christian Atasapon, on a deputy organizer or Ashanti regional MPP, on a returning officer, and our motto Abaho in Kunyum. Maybe anti no nim sir court at injunction at Abaton so. Me sure say Adibu no Mumbu party no because the party national officers make announcement, a lot of announcement. The party administrator frame make them say ya no embasso. I mean say party say no how communicated to us. So me if I've been communicated to, meaning say the other parties will as well be communicated to, and TV so your social media radio even on Saturday I hear to abano na me hear UTV means the party director of elections UTV oka say Sabri about no control baby apart from Asante Achimnof so omo ebu party mi aso omo ebu ama party ni party panyufo na omo akotena omo fie na omo aye ni omo pa I just say party na emra wo and obia so ehunia omaye
enti memenda no abato ne koso anti wama declare ana eti san constituency ho
to me there me nimsa abato ankoso ni omo ye no me ka say memenda no TV interview me ka jom say ebia no omo feel board say ye nya hwe no ntino almost as a mock exercise versus about to occur senior bay because to me means about to so because national party don't organize these elections. This is national say yeah to abana MP organize abana to what is about this.
Okay, Tikwajo, after me then what will be the regional executives on near MP and national executives what will be from more?
As at now, I'm in TV.
And what's your next line of action? Kwajo.
Also, the entire battle no party nika say yen to say album na ye de to abano. Tama yensa kan na illegally omo yi nipa 145 a free. Ye beto abano o regulations by the general secretary stated say album ye de to aba eyi constituency executives in February 2018. Sa album na ye de beto aba. A week before your parliamentary primaries, and I call J album no national headquarters. Yeah, audit. They share the old album now. Yeah, they talk about our Dome 2018. Then you need 145 the frame. So me the petition come out party no. And you know my you my film now. Your mom also say album no money. Njom so the petition ko na. Since omu bi no na a court say omo me ento aba no. To say you be hwehwe sa asem no nti senior etino our party in them and a court. They can decide and tell us senior
But it's surprising that regional executives are as a wamutimi ehunu de ete embrase wamwa so baso so sa ensem hunu say so at the constituency level chere madwen kwajo chere madwen pa
I think also offer national and offer region for no busa the entire region for ebe what the national party is saying. Maybe the parties and can you about the primaries? I don't want to even talk about it because you're on people who party anymore. Say the me too is and they because the general secretary from Sokojo radio be after us as and Kasabima. I have to respect my general secretary. So director of relations framing Sokojo Mulation Assembly and Kasa Humbium because I have to obey what the national executive says. It is a national executive Kasa now regional for homo information. It's not for me to judge.
What do I mean? Also, in offense here.
Miss me.
Kodo ba atman asante achem north wojinai and amene no atwetwe nkomo no but mamene Ora Thompson Jamra oye electoral area coordinator sukuu mu asante achem north Ora Jamra temenka Dwaso Nsem Suni memo akwaba
ya ejo
meme dan no wote say abato no ekoso certain electoral areas wote
wazo meti na misansu hu
what is sansu hu
you
ade na hu boyemu
you know you say yen MP o ha honorable and the appear kubi
Jim FM
and the party chairman honorable Samseji ni party executives no and papa no me so police station akofa bosses bia the man wey so bologum ni bi no every police station inside on ballot papers bi only call polling stations which is Methodist Church Agogo Obuase omo de bi call Agogo State Senior High School omo de bi call MP no ankasa so fie odwansa ama omo to aba no e declare MP no so no say winner candidate back why on abokojo ba chi ma no de so hu mi pa bia anko bi chese ya amfre won me mpo court san set abo da so nti obia nim sabato no maso ndimi de me hu bi
amenti say obodo tete am declare kra
omo to am party chairman na peja sitting MP inside declare
everybody but muna mude asam no e court ekwaje injunction de beto abato no so e dey pa na ohwehwe free court rajamra
ye ne free court is a court de tabo beto so na court so de to so ana ma e mere bi say yin na yin hia court ezinu ya rani mu say akwo ni bedu ni akohia court ni asema de to court anim say o ma famra kwa so no mu yi din free abato nwoma ni mu court waka because you need to me court na be kire enti no jakopa ana mmene da no yin say o mo to aba no ana obi mismin say court so nya djuma mmene da enti ana dwo no all from you do your court no be yo but it is me minim mra kwa minim say o ma to court mra
Roger mama me found here enti ni asi asante achem no ato no total disregard for the rule of law Chese mra yadi bu amai no yabuso yafa nya hwe. And for crying out loud, this is the political party in power. Yehovah. Mami foma sema di kan no ho. Yare COVID-19 ba ye. Me de men kwa to ho. Me. Esa some yen training. Yare ba ye frontline workers even lockdown. Yare ni hu ni ade. Ye ba adwuma. Ye ba adwuma. Ensese ye di ato ho. Ni nyina no ye di so. Amampani kasa. Tumi di achire. So amampani e kasa. Tumi e di achire. Na mentimi hu se emra no a efa covid yi ho no edi binom ena binom so de enka wo mo emra no ya select ni pa binom a wo mo de chinchina chin eso wo mo di so ena binom so de mo ni so na ochi echa mu ya mampani ade ne sahye EI 126 ase na otu etwam ya amampani di nsahye EI 126 ase esem rakiti COVID-19 mu kwanya ya fa so aboye ho ban executive instrument no makan mu kakra but me how ne say so amampani I don't know but I will need a lawyer be a omechirem say ka say executive instrumental e de ade e bia me chirem amenya lawyer ninti on fa serious but see ka say it's an offense it's yamra obetimi adam say shaw na say no smaska it's yamra and I was so angry on Saturday when I saw certain members of the MPP, certain members of the ruling party, total disregard for protocols, that's it. Woman busu poto. Ko Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Nahe the course and a panoa de ase na amafo hye maski ene social distancing na ye adwuma afei edru se ya to obo na wie na ye bebobo a o se ye obi atu agum me hawnie if the ruling party can throw an executive instrument into the gutters, then we are not safe as a country. I'm sorry to say this, but say abayokono a wateso no waman penina no sam wadene sa hye say bon ho ban and we for crying out loud we are in extraordinary times. Waman penia ka edru MPP for primary so hwene ehuni. And I won't be surprised. So after primacy, yama ya home 10 days to 14 days. Now you run a test and share. Se COVID-19 figures no enkosoro. I'm hearing some argument every ministers being lawyers be ho say when your adrenaline is high, you lose your concentration. Hello? When your adrenaline is high, now say why then what madam? Is that it? Abayi boka COVID-19 ho. Wa boka billions of Ghana cedis. Billions. Na ya mamumra kakasa mon kwato aba na kwato santere ko padwuma ma wo bi papa ko padwuma ma wo bi maame no ankoye no wo de won kwa akogura to pre abey because obi anwi nti ye no mask kura wo mun hyebi miami area ho pick up ena nipa afoforo so a pick up ebi kura tetare ho miamani mi area ho. Are we serious? Are we serious? I'm not meeting my penny. Be hon man me ferry no. Meeting so I say I have instructed the police to enforce. Now me say wafa. I want to cry the enko. Because on Saturday, now police for no one more voting centers ho. But they were watching. A police for no they were at the various electoral areas. No more sure about one so. Now I'm here pressing it and I can say honorable arena and patrol jadede now your national nose mask. They can't. Iya no mi henchire mu. Samre emre tintin bi ho no a esa mask na me de hye. Na samre ne pa ho de ametumi yi. Mi henchire mu. And now a school for school ase. And now university SHS2 go track and a final year as a student. Wama go school ene. Ya onima when you say adwene ho aso man. And so sha amanyo semunti. Ya buya nyagu nyema bebre so. Aden da bia ya kan say before there and before there sa na etie can't we change yentumi nsesa kwan ya fa so ye nneoma and there cases the COVID-19 cases na say ya say ya bia nsore kakrai amanfo to omasi ani asin sore so asore ne de yakọ hona nipa 100 no ba kokora bro so a yesi achew ye raso dem hona ba kokora hye nose mask a yesi anetro ba kokora hye nose mask yatum na kokọ de ne boge ya bai na woso yare no wonim mpipini o ene wonim ndc ni anapemani abre God help me anapemani abre yare no wonim ndc ni no wonim mpipini. Enti sen sorry ne mosque ne ade ya de mrane bete chira mo pete na edru se emanyo ko na eye ade a ene yemfa ne free. We should think again. We need to think again. Esi adwene biom. Say apomudi adwuma efo omo kwa no omo ba ye nyina ye di animu bi na ye kwa na ye ba na ye boy ho ba sonso ye ho na wo bi political parochial interest inti obako fo yare e de abesan me nyame hu ya mobo na Ghana fo ye mu binom ye nema bia ye airtime when the party mpanifo ne politicians ne mo aban mu kasa one be polish ne kama ekotu mra kire wo se from so bia ne ho ko Facebook na hwe Why? Simply because nipa baako awi ni parliamentary seat. Na erefi sa agronwa nkasa no wayanim December 7th. Esa ban tutu ne maye. Ye ba ba tire yedin. New voters register. Ye ba tire. Enu twemu a ye kwa akoto aba 7 December. Na ne yehu ni mimindai. Se no an ye de kotire din basabasa ye ba be koso ama nkofo disregard protocols. Now moving into December 7th, Sani ever corner dia. And then COVID-19, ebetoriase. So far, one year, no at now fee. What for 1 year, Tana fee? As I'm some penny phone, Yadi and Crash woman, Sasso among my home. I know. Omni Huno, a bino, Yadi Ghana, Shannon, Sa. Am I your corner at the Ghana, Shannon, Sano? Omni Huno, Momendano. I beg your pardon. My name is phone line 0302216561. 0302216562. 0302216561. 0302216562. Ghana for SME and Nidaho. As I say, my Nidaho. As I say, a man in the papa. On a penny here and in such as no. Say, shall no mask out to me them 4 years. And I am expecting, say, after premise, on a penny no videos in Ibi. Like I said, no. Constituencies, Bakumi and me, say, Nayami, who say, Niaman Koyo Hono. I need to sanction some people. Then serve as deterrents, scapegoats. On a penny swan to me on this idea. Well, fellow Ghanaians, you be dear Dokunokwa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Am I joining?
Ernest, me, as I was just taxi driver.
Ernest, my to you.
You make sure partner to my power here to go on Ghana. Now, CJ, me, as a viewer. If this will be the case now, any thoughts of because of the social distance, say, on my president, my sorry. You we know, Saturday. Say, why? Because MP are winning parliamentary candidate now as Shano. Also, very bad. And he said, yes, and shall be young power. And I already said, ever put in your way. The Namisha will not my power.
Medase. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. See the appointment.
Nayado, Madam Batomswe.
Namiadum.
Maminti, we didn't be Yakasa free.
Also, maybe I make a second attempt for.
Yentu.
CJ, the other one is say, and company for now, Kufuado, no move or mine, almost do not. Almost Bununti, almost yes, Sanya man, and the Kufuado funny no sequel. All funny no sequel because the only amendment than time, papa. Yania be, you be a devil, ya tree, and we are made in Ayabasa, the Eddie be crying. Now, Mokanamo to about moving for you for Mudisika saying, say to come when your own will be. And a year here for your 2 women, a young woman say. I just can they check the cat and say that for Hawaii BBS has said. I didn't see Omuyasa. I didn't see Omuyasa. Oh, we are watching Yanipa. Yanipa, no one got your Oh, boy. She said 2 weeks penny, I chance 3 weeks. So they are you a best for Krum Hakran. You may be a dear Nambesi. CJ, Yakawachi, Namemo,
Medasi Antiesta. And some man penodin in nice from Nanado. Found nice from no panit last year, Mamma Fravin and Can. Yebunan Carifua. Wakahu. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, CJ.
Yes, I'm Patroni.
Jake Accra.
Jake, my you.
In Pacho, CJ Timio. Me, I come in, I come amanyofo enyo bia kokuntokwa ebi omuchi ese say nipa no ukokuntokwa wo edi ni chi no ukopejuma ma obi papa wo ukopejuma ma no na upejuma wie po ma no obehie next a wo frɛ no kwapo ni fo onfa enti ese ye ni bre wo ya ka say ye juma ye jam ye sane juma Bible say for lack of knowledge my people perish nipa no a ukokutu edi hosi ewo ho no ono ni yire ni ma ni nyina wo fi o ebi mo gba brochi wo kokun tokwa ebu a bi papa we a tu mi baako ewo before party e beba power ni ti se we ebi ankani ko a obi amanyofu obi echi ekokun tokwa ka se ye pege ya ka se ni bre ye juma ho ye kun ewo ya ka se ye juma ho ye kun ewo ka se ya brabo ho e be go aboni
me da say hello good morning sorry Anapai me boafu papa. Emi ya. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba jamani.
The day in the office the coffee, me free Akimoda.
Officer Kofi Akimoda hefa.
Akimoda mo town.
Oh, town.
Aye.
Mo. 90.
Yo, now waka MPP, your prime minister there. Oh, and 24 do home in your position. How about more down? Yes, there you coordinators are making only 11 every. Yes, so every year, increment no phobia tourist and nation like that. Yes, say a day to the time, yes, for Monkau. Obia what tourist and nation like that. Now, a year, you could say, level on your coordinators today. Yeah, you're moving because almost petition region say. A year chairman of the election, a year member of the election committee, a candidate, a MP, a year, you know, almost a year, I'm so more sorry. But to be what the election today, you're more to it. And to say, as you see when people know, and penfoning your position out. After the woman will be able, don't make no domestic bono, and the other threat, Nanado. MPP 24, while I say you went to a a better how because coordinator service, this is what has been on. Yababa registration. Tell me coordinator, me na me san kwa ya na se tira ba very so me. Enti yes MPP party no, and telephone person mo tete na ba.
Me da say apostles of democracy. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Matawini.
Me ye blame yawo me very pram.
Yaw pram yentio.
Today. When baby.
Me too.
Any before no. Omo you Ghana for. This yes idea. Oso no wa omo ti wo no. Omo you won. So happy. Because social this that no omo so my enti omo you oso no mo bye.
Me da say. Let me find my last caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Patroini.
But your friend loyalty because I free dodo.
Loyalty, I'm my last caller into you.
Yes. Ghana for your problem is whatever an adult will do, what is wrong, wrong, no. Opinion, you believe on your wrong. When you not come in a Ghana, you kosa in your way in them. Sanko Penibi answer mask, and may you mono the action is on Kotigatu. So we are Minito, so we are MP, so we are so we are assemblyman. Amanakotigatu. And all these things will stop because Yanina idea and who's on telephone, nay, yes, support to woman. Into the young Ponebia, ye bet CSABia or YC and telephone number deity, Ababe, I support you and I say, other year free, whatever sanctions are, the law enforcement agents in the Demaman. It's way not coming on mano, but so far as our Bonnia, very respectful who does say, Penny, say, and yet punish ya. And there will be sanity in this country. This coronavirus is very serious. When you get it and you recover now, your lung function reduces by 20 to 30%. This is what people don't know. Ubenya coronavirus or better, but our lung function will reduce by 20 to 30%, of which a juma bit and within 30 minutes. When you're corona, you can't use that 30 minutes to do the work. When you're about 10, 15 minutes, you can't do that anymore. And this is what should be carried down to the populace to understand. that the corona is very serious and dangerous. Thank you.
Me da say ana pemba ya masam yetiawa. If the ruling party can throw an executive instrument to the gutters, then we are not safe. And no man paniu kasai. One shut down Dwaso. Yaka in school for no more and the choir praise for Adom Rabaya Juma school penny for share now be a share mask abribia distance in any Juma mobia mesrobia school hall ma womundi do a dining hall such as and one akanya but near Kwasumi Mendano. I'm a penny me him. Sir, executive instrument, you know, sir, carry to me. If it carries that weight, then something needs to be done. We are in extraordinary times, abnormal times. COVID-19 arian wa mabia na daw. Ewo ho na yentwere nipa anim so bi obi a ensure won mama so. Esisa ye ho enti hwese ne abaya wo niema enkenkan se ye bewura election season win politics am your phone beba oh yenko enya hwe oh yenko campaign ba ho ban observe the protocols o mask no mesra wo hye ma hand sanitizer no embel na COVID-19 yare no e ho pa